The Gurgel G-15 is one of the most distinctive vehicles produced by the Brazilian automaker Gurgel, a company founded by engineer João Augusto Conrado do Amaral Gurgel in Rio Claro, São Paulo. Known for its innovation and rugged design, the G-15 represents a key chapter in Brazil's automotive history, blending local ingenuity with Volkswagen's proven mechanical base. The story begins in 1978, when Gurgel introduced the X-15, a robust off-road vehicle originally designed for military use. It was built on the Volkswagen Kombi chassis and powered by the reliable Volkswagen 1600 air-cooled engine, producing modest power but exceptional durability. The body was made of Plasteel, Gurgel's proprietary composite combining steel and fiberglass, offering lightness, corrosion resistance, and structural strength. The X-15 featured angular, utilitarian lines, a high ground clearance, 35 centimeters, and excellent approach and departure angles, 50 degrees and 45 degrees, which gave it remarkable off-road capability despite lacking 4x4 traction. Instead, Gurgel used the select traction system, allowing selective locking of the rear wheels for improved traction on rough terrain. In 1979, Gurgel launched the G-15, a civilian adaptation of the X-15. The G-15 kept the same chassis and engine but was designed for mixed urban and rural use. It came in various body configurations, pickup, van, and hardtop, offering seating for up to 7 passengers or a 1-ton load capacity. Many components, such as lights, wheels, steering, and brakes, were sourced from Volkswagen. Later versions gained improvements such as homokinetic joints, larger windshields, and optional double cab configurations. Specialized editions were even built for police and fire departments. Production of the G-15 continued until 1982, when it was replaced by the Gurgel G-800 series. However, many units remained in service for decades, especially in public institutions. Some examples, like a 1984 model used by the São Paulo Civil Police, survive today as collector's vehicles. Enthusiasts admire the G-15 for its unique Brazilian design, mechanical simplicity, and rugged spirit that embodied Gurgel's vision of a truly national automobile. Today, restored G-15s appear at vintage car shows and online marketplaces, symbolizing a time when Brazil dared to build cars its own way, strong, practical, and unmistakably original.